right? I'm getting the best results. My hair was not this thick. My hair was not. This is whoa. This is. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I am back with another review from Mielle Organics. If some of you may or may not know, Mielle Organics recently released a new collection called the Sea Moss collection, and I am going to go ahead and review those products for you today. But before we jump into the video, I'm gonna need you to subscribe, okay? I'm gonna need you to go click the like button. I'm gonna need you to go comment. I'm going to go ahead and need you to say you like my hair because my hair is cute. So don't forget to do that for your girl, okay? On a serious note, guys, make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Be sure to turn on your post notification bell. That way you can be notified when I drop my weekly videos. I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. Mielle Organics recently released a new collection, and this is what the boxing looks like. The new collection is called the Sea Moss collection, and we are about to go ahead and get ready to review it. So I hope y'all ready. So this is what the new boxing looks like. So when you guys order your Sea Moss collections, it will come in this cute box. It's definitely giving me Little Mermaid, and I'm obsessed. This is how the new boxing looks with all of the products. We are going to go ahead and dive into all of each one of these products. I'm going to show you guys what they look like in this box. I'm going to also show you guys what they look like outside of this box. So this is what your packaging will look like. You know, you got your Sea Moss. It's really cute, really nice picture. I love the packaging on this, and I think it's super cute. The first product that we will be starting off with is the anti-shedding shampoo. The Sea Moss anti-shedding shampoo is super rich, and it will hydrate every single strand. It removes any buildup. So like, let's say you guys had like you did a wash day, and you know you guys got a lot of buildup. It really kind of lathers up. Like, I really like how it lathers up your hair in a sense. Like, so some shampoos do not give you that extra nice and clean, like squeaky clean, but the Sea Moss collection actually does that pretty well. I did go ahead and use it on my hair myself. This is formulated, right, to deliver vibrant results. You can have an amazing wash day if you use it. So when I use the Sea Moss collection, first of all, the collection is bomb. It definitely has a very strong perfume. Like, it's like aqua blossom. It smells really good. I could smell it in my hair when I did do my hair. So if you're one of the type of girls that, you know, we getting ready for the summer, we getting ready for the spring, and you like a strong scent on your hair, the Sea Moss collection definitely does that. It's not like any of the other collections that Mielle kind of has, which I kind of like that. I will say the scent for this does smell really good, and my hair did feel extra clean. As you guys know, my favorite collection is the Babusu collection, but the Sea Moss collection is actually pretty good. I don't really think I had too many strands as far as like hair coming out or anything like that. Like my hair don't be falling out or anything like that. But as far as shedding, my hair did feel really good, and it did feel really soft. So I kind of actually like this, you know. So this is the anti-shedding shampoo. They say if you want the best results, you have to go ahead and use the anti-shedding conditioner. So we are going to go ahead and jump into the conditioner, and going to go ahead and do a small review on the conditioner. So this is what the conditioner actually looks like. Once again, it is for anti-shedding, right? This essentially gives like mega moisture and hydration. So you're really supposed to like use this for 10 to 15 minutes, but when I did go ahead and apply this to my hair, I definitely put this junk in my hair for like 30 to 45 minutes. I don't think that I've seen anything like crazy happen to my hair, of course, because it is conditioner, But because I did do a twist out, my hair literally, I think this is the softest that my hair has probably ever been when I did do the twist out, and I really got some really good results. Like when I put the conditioner on my hair, I really felt as though my hair kind of just instantly like absorbed it, but it didn't feel dry and crunchy. Like sometimes when you put some conditioners on your hair gets super dry, it gets super crunchy, or sometimes it just like, it's no love, like it's frizzy and everything. But the anti-shedding definitely locked in that good moisture, and I could definitely tell the difference. I don't really feel like you needed a whole lot. I did kind of use a lot of this because I really just like for my hair to be well conditioned. However, I don't really think you need a whole lot. If you have enough water, like the water in the conditioner kind of balances it out. So, I mean, honestly, you'll be in tip-top shape. So the direction is, after shampooing, you are in need of the conditioner, of course. You want to apply it to wet hair. You want to let your hair condition for 10 to 15 minutes. And like you're getting ready to style your hair, then we will go into the leave-in conditioner, right? You want to go straight into the leave-in conditioner after you shampoo your hair. If you're styling, twist out, braid out, you know, under hair care for your wigs or any protective style. But this did well to me. I don't really have any issues. And it also too, the CMOS collection is infused with palmetto. I meant to say that earlier in the video. That did not register in my head at all. But next, so after we shampooed, after we conditioned, we have the anti-shedding leave-in conditioner. You want to put a generous amount on each section after you condition your hair, of course. And you can honestly use this on the go. So if you are in between wash days and you just like, I'm not about to wash my hair, I'm about to just go for it, this is a good leave-in conditioner. I like this leave-in conditioner. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like when I use this collection, I really did get the best results in regard to my twist out. I did let it sit for like a day and a half too, so that could also be why. And I think this is the first time that I did not need to put rods on my hair. I think my hair is starting to get in the motion of like, okay, she's wearing us out a little bit more, you know. So I think my hair actually responded very well to this. And I would say, so on the bottle it says, you know, of course you want to enjoy. This is convenient and easy to be used as a styler for moisture and strength. This collection is focused on moisturizing, strength, hydration, and replenishing damaged hair. So this is what this particular item specifically did for me. I felt the hydration was there. My curls were very, very soft. Even after my hair was dry, because some products definitely leave your hair kind of dry and crunchy, and I don't like that. And see, the CMOS collection does not do that, so this is a win. I'm trying to just make sure I didn't leave anything out. Oh, it's formulated to control any flyaway hair. So like if you have any issues with frizzing, honey, you want to squirt this on that head because it's going to get you together. So this is the anti-shedding gel hair mask. Now, baby, let me tell you something about this hair mask, okay? This gel is lit. I know you are supposed to, from the directions, well no, I'm not even gonna go based off the directions. I'm gonna tell you what I did, honey, okay? So the anti-hair mask, well, the anti-shedding gel hair mask is bomb. I used a little bit of this on my hair when I did those twists, and baby, let me tell you how it made love to my hair. I don't believe that this is a sufficient amount. I could have loved for this to be in the same size jar as the pomegranate honey, but this is really good. The smell is so good. Like, it hits the spot for me, you know. So it's targeted, right? If you want smooth, shiny hair with amazing slip, which I definitely can tell that I had a great slip to my hair, you can use this lightweight gel. It helps infuse your hair, of course. It leaves it with an intense hydration, and it restores health and strength. It promotes healthy hair. So this is the main tool that you need if you are combating any hair loss, any shedding, you know, anything that I mentioned as far as like your hair being damaged and you're just trying to make love to it and just trying to make sure that it gets all of the formulated ingredients and the love that it needs. The gel is it. Because some gels dry your hair out, but this gel, it's definitely different from other products that I have used. No flakiness, right? No shedding, no flakiness, nothing was hard about my hair. Like, I really love like the transition of the texture of my hair. Like, of course my texture was the same, but how it felt, how soft it was. Like, that gel definitely did some defining of my curls, which is probably why I did not need any rods when I twisted my hair. So I can definitely say that this little baby is a win, okay? The Sea Moss Anti-Shedding Curl Putty is infused with rich ingredients, right? It gives great moisturizing and it affirms a good hold on the hair. That way your hairstyle can last all single day, even weeks. I like how this feels. Here, I would definitely recommend the curl putty. It definitely gives the hair a silky feel, and I feel like this seals the deal. This is the icing on the cake. If you're gonna use a whole collection, use the whole collection. That way you can get the best results as possible. Like, the curl putty, this is the frizz controller, okay? This reduces the shedding, right? This is perfect for Bantu knots, piece of hair, okay? Y'all see me, don't play. This collection was very well thought out. I don't really have anything bad to say. I mean, I personally love all of Mielle's collections. I have been using Mielle for a few years now, and my hair is growing in ways that it has not grown before. The thickness is there. After I started really analyzing my hair and really seeing what it actually needed, I was able to make a better judgment for my hair. And now with the right products, right, I'm getting the best results. My hair was not this thick. My hair was not this full. I know I have a different hairstyle, but just to see how healthy my hair is with the twist out, like, y'all, my hair, this was the best twist out that I think I have ever had. Like, literally, sometimes my ends would really struggle, and I did kind of cut my hair. I did like a little mini big chop. I didn't chop all my junk off because, you know, I like my hair. But this collection definitely is a win for me. I have to say, my favorite product for this collection will have to be the anti-shedding gel hair mask. Like, that thing was so good to me. I'm gonna have to try to do a braid out and show you guys how I actually did it. But as far as the collection goes, it's phenomenal. I wouldn't really change anything about it except for kind of making the pudding and making the gel in larger containers as an option. Because I know for me and my little head, I know my head is little, but I really like to use a good bit of product. I know sometimes I say in my videos like you don't need a whole lot of product, but I personally like to use a whole lot of product to get the best results. I'm going to continue to do reviews as long as Mielle keeps producing high quality products. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I did creating it. So make sure you guys be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell. That way you can be notified when I drop my weekly videos. I am so happy to have spent this time with you. I cannot wait to see you next time. And that is it. Oh, another thing. I'm starting to add bloopers at the end of my videos. Recommendation of Aaliyah Weather, so shout out to her. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you watch the video all the way to the end. That way you can see my crazy ass bloopers. Welcome back to another video. Absolutely not. We're definitely not using that as the intro. That was very corny. This is look. Kind of feels low. Some shampoos don't really get that good weekly videos. I don't know what's going on. That's funny. All right, about the collection, or if you're thinking about getting the connect. Girl. Oh well. All right. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me take a break in between. That was good. That was good. That was a good review, honey. That was a good review.